quick unboxing. The tuners have arrived. These are the staggered 6 in line from Hipshot. Let's have a look at them. What do we get? Instructions how to install them. It should be easy. I guess that's the UMP plate, universal mounting plate. Let's have a quick look at these. And behind them, if you're looking at that box behind, that's Waverly. And to me, those are the gold standard. Let's have a. To me, it's all about how they move. It felt quite stiff, that first one. Okay, they feel just like most other tuners, like good tuners, not the cheap, not nasty ones. Yeah, they feel nice, but I seem to think the Waverlys feel better. Let's have a quick look. For those of you that don't know of Waverly, if you go to the Martin website and go through the process of ordering, say, a D45, these are an upgrade that you can order with that. They actually cost £500 for the Waverlys on top of the regular shallows that come with it. Although they don't cost £500 themselves, they just cost a few £100s. Have a quick, let me just see how these feel. These are just lovely. Oh yeah, yeah. These have definitely got a better movement than the Hipshots, but you know, these are the gold standard, I guess. So. These, yep, I think I'll be happy with these. I'm pretty sure these are the, you know, I've never actually owned lock-in tuners, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to even use them. I guess something to do with that locks down with that, I guess. All right, I figured that out off camera. So just want to show you, I've got the Hipshots tuners and wait for the bridge that's coming from the United States. I only ordered that on Friday. Was it Friday? The same day I ordered these. We're now what, Tuesday? Some of you are thinking, hold on a minute, what's he doing with a set of Waverlys that are sitting in a box and not on an actual guitar? Well, that is simply because I will be building an acoustic guitar at some point in the near future. I've never done that before, and for about the last almost a year I've been buying things each month that I think I'm going to need. I have Madagascan rosewood back inside. I have Sitka Bruce soundboards. They've got some very tight lines. Yeah, I think there's probably something like 400 to 500 tight lines on each side of the soundboard. It's crazy. I'll show you it in a video coming up. I've got some Central American mahogany. I have got snakewood binding and tons of pearly stuff. Gonna make the best that I can with it. I will be using hide glue because I'm probably gonna make, you know, some mistakes in there somewhere that maybe I won't notice until it's all set up and ready to play. You know, I may need to take the whole thing apart again and perhaps redo some bracing or whatnot. And actually, while I've just mentioned hide glue, just to let you know, if you go to the Martin website and you say order your D45 and you go through your upgrades, one of the first ones you'll see is going from regular white glue to hide glue. They would charge you $1,500 for that. I repeat, $1,500. I guess that's because they just want to put people off from doing that, but then why even offer it in the first place? They don't want people to have it. And also, you know, what does that do resale value? Would the seller be able to command a higher price because they paid more for the glue? I'm not sure. Things like tuners maybe. Oh, by the way, when I looked at Martin guitars about a year ago or so, they only had 2 options of tuners. They come with a standard set of shallow, or you could pay $500 for the Waverlys. When I just looked this morning, they got 9 options. 5 of which are included in the base price. I think there's some Gota, some Grover, some Shallows, some others. And the other 4 have got an upcharge, ranging from $200 to $500. The only ones that are $500 are these Waverlys. I might as well just go ahead and ream that out. Now, I have a reamer. I've measured the inside of these using my caliper, and that said 976. Put that same measurement onto there. Sorry, that's 7.8, something like that. These are the, oh, what my thing says a 976. Let me do that on camera real quick. Zero it out, boom. So here we go. And I just think that's probably got more to do with the, yeah, well now it says 969, but yeah, so a little bit less than 10. The same measurement that I've got on there. In fact, I'm going to just screw that in. I'm going to take that out, and then that should just slide up to, whoa, there we go. kind of there. Okay, that's weird. Kind of there. So I'm going to remount to there, and that the holes will be ready. So it looks like I only have to ream the back, because the front reach nuts here, they slot straight in, straight to the back there, and they're snug. So that's kind of quite handy. But the back ones, yeah, so I just need to go in that far from the back with the ream, and then these fit. Let's see if I can do this on camera still. Does it matter which one I do first? No, let's start from the high E. So straight in, and all I'm doing is just literally turning that until we hit the tape. Let's take that out and just see. Oh, perfect. That's it. Alright, I'm going to quickly go ahead and get this done. Just hit something. Maybe it was that. Alright, done. How quick was that? It's a 5-minute job. So this is where I'm going to leave it for the night. I'm going to let the wood filler dry overnight, and then come back tomorrow with a 600 grit, and I'm going to just go over it all, get any bumps up, make sure we're all smooth, see if I need some more primer on it. Hopefully then it's ready to give it some real colour. Well, actually cream is the next one, so that won't really count, but I guess it's still colour other than white. That's where we are today. I wanted to paint or prime the neck with the fingerboard off. I just thought that would be easier for me to see if there's any gaps along the bottoms. I don't think I will actually spray paint it with the fingerboard off. I think I'm gonna have to put that back on before I go over it with colour, and just make sure it's all nice and dead level. There's no gaps in there. That's my day. See you next time.